Good morning, everybody. So I'm coming down the laneway, and I actually was bringing over some water into one of the paddocks when I noticed something coming over here. One of my Muscovies, who has been, oh, there was a frog, who's been off for a little bit, has come back, and she's got ducklings. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, I think. Let's see. Try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Unless there's one that's off discovering something and it hasn't moved or come out of its little hiding spot. But this is, oh, and there's a dragonfly. This is what we call our ducky pond. It's because out of all the ponds, it's the most shallow, and it tends to have a lot more things, I think, in it that the ducks appreciate. And it's closest to where the ducks are kept. Their coop is just over there. And this is the brand new pond over here across the laneway. And the island pond is way over there. So I'm thinking she's hatched them out and she's actually bringing them back to the coop. And I did see her in the same place that the other mother duck was. I think what they're doing is actually having a nesting area on the island pond. And I hear something out there. Let's hope it's not a bird of prey. Thankfully, looks, oh no, I think it's a blue jay. It's probably coming over, oh yes it is. There's a nesting pair that are off on the northeast side of the property. They've been there for years, and when the apple tree up by the house starts to get ripe, they always come out. But you are gorgeous. Oh, can I see you? Oh, there you are. Sorry. There we go. Actually, I should probably look up what variety this is. It's up in the cedar tree. It's kind of hard to see it there. Oh well. Before I give everybody motion sickness. She is out of the pond, and I think I'm going to, oh, there. They're getting back in the pond. Hello. Good mama. Are you bringing them back? Yes? Okay, well, I'll open everything up so that you can get them to the safe place, okay? You can walk them through the garden without having to climb the fence. I better get to it. I'll need to get the water to the sheep and get back and open everything up for her. Talk to you guys later. Bye.